Let's begin studying. 9 times 1 equal 9. 9 into 9, 1. 9 times 2 equal 18. 9 into 18, 2. 9 times 3 equal 27. 9 into 27, 3. 9 times 4 equal 36. 9 into 36, 4. 9 times 5 equal 45. 9 into 45, 5. 9 times 6 equal 54. 9 into 54, 6. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 into 63, 7. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 into 72, 8. 9 times 9 equal 81. 9 into 81, 9. 9 times 10 equal 90. 9 into 90, 10. 9 times 11 equal 99. 9 into 99, 11. 9 times 12 equal 108. 9 into 108, 12. 10 times 1 equal 10. 10 into 10, 1. 10 times 2 equal 20. 10 into 20, 2. 10 times 3 equal 30. 10 into 30, 3. 10 times 4 equal 40. 10 into 40, 4. 10 times 5 equal 50. 10 into 50, 5. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 into 60, 6. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 into 70, 7. 10 times 8 equal 80. 10 into 80, 8. 10 times 9 equal 90. 10 into 90, 9. 10 times 10 equal 100. 10 into 100, 10. 10 times 11 equal 110. 10 into 110, 11. 10 times 12 equal 120. 10 into 120, 12. 11 times 1 equal 11. 11 into 11, 1. 11 times 2 equal 22. 11 into 22, 2. 11 times 3 equal 33. 11 into 33, 3. 11 times 4 equal 44. 11 into 44, 4. 11 times 5 equal 55. 11 into 55, 5. 11 times 6 equals 66. 11 into 66, 6. 11 times 7 equals 77. 11 into 77, 7. 11 times 8 equal 88. 11 into 88, 8. 11 times 9 equal 99. 11 into 99, 9. 11 times 10 equal 110. 11 into 110, 10. 11 times 11 equal 121. 11 into 121, 11. 11 times 12 equal 132. 11 into 132, 12. 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 into 12, 1. 12 times 2 equal 24. 12 into 24, 2. 12 times 3 equal 36. 12 into 36, 3. 12 times 4 equal 48. 12 into 48, 4. 12 times 5 equals 60. 12 into 60, 5. 12 times 6 equals 72. 12 into 72, 6. 12 times 7 equal 84. 12 into 84, 7. 12 times 8 equal 96. 12 into 96, 8. 12 times 9 equal 109. 12 into 109, 108. 12 into 108, 9. 12 times 10 equal 120. 12 into 120, 10. 12 times 11 equal 132. 12 into 132, 11. 12 times 12 equal 144. 12 into 144, 12.